Welcome back to the channel, guys. I wanted to drop a quick video just on a very exciting and potentially important market update that we're seeing here in the markets right now at the end of November 2024. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below. Hit that subscribe button as well. And if you want to get notified about similar videos, smash the bell notification icon and make sure to grab your free copy of the Rise of Bitcoin. It's linked below this video in the description. Grab it below while it's free, and let's check out what's going on. So in terms of a very quick market update, something I've been looking at over the past week or two has been total crypto market cap moving up towards this $3 trillion level. Why is this $3 trillion level significant? Well, if we zoom out here on the chart, and if we go all the way back to 2021, you will see that the $3 trillion level was the level that we reached up to at the very peak of the 2021 crypto cycle. In November of 2021, November 10th, 2021 to be specific, is the day where we got this wick of the candle all the way up to this $3 trillion overall total crypto market cap. And that level right there, that was the peak. That was the peak of the entire cycle for total crypto market cap. That was the point at which the market began to roll over and we started moving back to the downside. Interestingly, Bitcoin's all-time high synced up pretty close to this back at the peak of the cycle in 2021 as well, before we rolled over and started moving back to the downside. We did retrace all the way down, going all the way to a complete market low here, down at about 730 billion US dollars, down from that $3 trillion peak. Okay, as we've gone through the course of 2023, we saw a tick back up in the market, moving to the upside. Again, moving into the end Q4 of 2023, we saw a market resurgence. We saw Bitcoin getting up to those previous all-time highs in March of this year, and the entire market getting up to about 2.7 trillion US dollars by March of this year, before that extended period of consolidation that we had over the entire summer. So only in the past few weeks, after the confirmation of the election results in the United States, on the back of a second Federal Reserve rate cut on November 7th, we saw these significant series of green candles moving to the upside. And finally, just yesterday, for the first time on November 18th, 2024, we saw this green candle close above the $3 trillion level. Look at how many times we tested that over the course of this time period. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days trying to get above 3 trillion and close above it. We did wick above it multiple times, but we never managed to close above this level. It was serving as a decent amount of resistance to hold us here for a full week before letting us move higher. And as you can see, with the close of this daily candle yesterday on November 18th, we saw the opening of the November 19th candle, and since then we've moved even higher to 3.05, even wicking up as high as 3.08 trillion in terms of overall crypto market cap. So I think this could be the catalyst for the next leg up. I think the confirmation of the election results in the United States and the rate cut on November 7th helped us to go from here around 2.56 trillion up to that $3 trillion level in the space of 7 to 10 days. We consolidated for about a week to 8 days before breaking higher. So I think this could be the next move or the next catalyst to help us move even higher. We saw Bitcoin getting up as high as $93,000 last week when we got up to these levels, but we didn't have enough momentum to move to 95K and then move towards to test $100,000 per Bitcoin. As we can see, Bitcoin is back to this $92,600 level, again wicking as high as 93,260 on today's daily candle, retesting these all-time highs that we got to on November 13th, about 6 days ago. So that's the first time we've retested this level in the past 6 days. I think this bodes well. I think it serves as a pretty positive indicator that we might be ready to move even higher, to push towards 95 and then on to $100,000, possibly even before the end of this calendar year. Again, looking at how quickly this move happened with Bitcoin going from 68K up to 90K, that happened in in a 7 to 10 day period. Could we even be getting close to 100K by the end of November? We still have 11 days to go. I'm not going to rule it out, but I do think 100K and getting very close to that $100,000 mark is very much on the cards by the end of the calendar year for 2024. Bitcoin back at 92.7. We can see with the entire crypto total market cap moving beyond 3.04 trillion, Bitcoin is moving higher. Ethereum, well, Ethereum still kind of correcting and pulling back from this excessive move. This was a big move for something like Ethereum, which has been underperforming as of late. Solana is moving higher as well, getting up to 241, even as high as 247 on today's daily candle. And for Solana, this is also moving into retesting previous all-time high territory. So again, Solana previous all-time highs around that $259 mark, all the way back from November 2021 as well. We're marching towards that to retest this level of resistance. If Solana moves into that area, we're going into price discovery for Solana. That would be very exciting, especially with what's been happening with Sui. Sui moved into price discovery here after we made this move up above $2.35. It had peaked there in the middle of October, again on confirmation of election results and on Federal Reserve rate cuts. Sui moved into price discovery again, going from $2.35 all the way up to as high as $3.92. Again, we're sitting at about $3.73 here priced today on November 19th. But if we can see total crypto market cap, continuing to move higher, which I think, confirmation on today's daily candle closing significantly higher than 3 trillion would be very, very helpful. We still have about 6 hours until the close of this daily candle, but if this can close here, I think that bodes pretty well for us moving up towards 3.1, 3.2 trillion over the coming couple of weeks. Bitcoin is poised to move higher on the back of that. Solana already moving higher as well. Sui in price discovery. Lots of exciting stuff going on. I just wanted to give that quick market update because I think this break of this level of resistance is significant for the entire market, and I think it could serve as that next catalyst for us to move even higher. So let us know in the comments below, are you holding tight here? Are you still adding to your positions in terms of bull run bag, accumulating assets? Of course, this is not financial advice, but given what the charts are saying, given the market movements, breaking above 3 trillion, breaking that resistance from all the way back in November 2021, I think it does bode pretty well for the next few weeks as we move towards the end of the year. It's a very exciting time to be involved in the markets. As always, guys, we want to bring you the best content. Drop us a comment below. What other types of videos do you want to see on the channel? Let us know what tokens you want us to cover. We've got videos coming pretty much every single day on the channel, so make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification icon, hit that like button below. It really does help to spread the good word with the YouTube algorithm, so please smash that thumbs up button, share the video with someone you think might like it, and grab your completely free copy, The Rise of Bitcoin. It's linked below in the description. My gift to you, and we'll catch you in the next one.